In this video, I want to illustrate pwdump, and there's many versions of this. I'm going to show you an older version just for syntax purposes, but you absolutely want to download the latest and greatest. So in this case, I'm just going to type pwdump or pwd, and I'm going to tab through the necessary files here, and it's about 3 or 4 tabs through because I have all of the files in one directory, pwdump.exe, and I'm going to do this just simply to get this syntax. So I start from just running the command, and then I actually see that I can do pwdump machine name, the output file. If I wanted an output file, this is good to save this, because then you can import this file directly into a password cracking program and or the specific username that you're looking for. So in this case, I'll do a host name. Okay, find out my name is Leo. So I'll do a pwdump for Leo. Actually, to spell it right, pwdump.exe, Leo. Give it a second, and then the SAM file gets dumped to the machine, to the terminal here. Okay, so what we have here, just to decipher some of this, is we have the username, the relative ID, and I'd always look for 500 because that's the Windows default first account, where 501 is guest. Okay, and then group started approximately 1,000, but 500, the LAN manager hash, and then the NT LAN manager hash. If you don't see anything here, that means that LM hash has been disabled, so it would look kind of like that, other than, of course, no password. In this case, where we can easily find out that there's no password on the guest account or some of the other accounts on this in this test environment. So that's what it looks like for a local machine. Now let's go test it against our target. So let's clear our screen. Let's do a pwdump to 192.168.92.131, and this is our vulnerable Windows server. I'm really just pointing this tool at the server, and get ready, buckle your seatbelts. Not recognize command. Try typing it correctly. pwdump.exe. This is why you actually want to type it and tab through it so that you don't make mistakes, okay? So I always like to try to walk you guys into the novice mistakes and then fix the novice mistakes as you go along. So 192.168.92.131. And in this case, you can see a whole bunch jump to the screen. So I'd want to capture this in some sort of password.txt file and go ahead and run that. And as soon as you get your command terminal back, that'll show that they actually have the files captured in password.txt. And I'll go ahead and look at this. So I'll explore the computer. You'll see that I have pwdump32 here, and then I have my password.txt file as it gets created as soon as it's finished. And it also will tell you at the very, very end. Okay, so in this case, I just executed it, completed it, and then we can go in here and see here's your password.txt. And there's all the information that I need to basically import into another program so that it can start your brute force, your hybrid, or your dictionary attacks. Very, very easy tool to use. pwdump. Alternatives of this would be fgdump, and be fluent with the skill of extracting the security account manager from target systems, whether it be from their hard drives or their registries or wherever the password files are stored or kept. Be able to not only extract them but also be able to interpret them, the results. That way you can import them into your password cracking programs. So thanks for watching. My name is Leo Dreger. Thanks for watching.